In this video, we listed the 5 best electric tillers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Greenworks 40V Cordless Tiller. The Greenworks 40V Tiller Cultivator is a powerful and efficient gardening tool designed to break up hard, compact soil for planting. Weighing 21 pounds and featuring a vibrant green color, this battery-powered tiller offers up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 4.0 battery, which recharges in just 120 minutes. Its lightweight design includes 6-inch rear wheels for enhanced maneuverability, while the adjustable tilling width ranges from 8.25 to 10 inches, making it versatile for various gardening tasks. This maintenance-free tiller eliminates the need for gas, oil, or emissions, promoting an eco-friendly gardening experience. The package includes the tiller, tines, a 40V 4.0 battery, a charger, and an operator's manual, all backed by a 3-year warranty for both the tool and the battery. Number 2. Black+Decker LGC120 Tiller. The Black+Decker battery-powered cultivator is designed to enhance gardening efficiency with its powerful dual tines that break up soil, ensuring optimal water and nutrient access for plant roots. It features an 8.38-inch DX7.75 WX41.5H compact design and is powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, offering a longer lifespan and better charge retention compared to traditional NiCad batteries. One full charge allows the cultivator to work effectively across up to 325 square feet of garden space, while its counter-oscillating tines help prevent weed tangling, making it an ideal choice for maintaining healthy soil. The product comes with a 2-year limited warranty, which includes the battery and an Energy Star qualified charger, ensuring customers have everything they need for efficient cultivation. Number 3. Earthwise TC70016 Electric Tiller. The Earthwise Power Tools by ALM Cultivator is a corded electric gardening tool designed for efficiency and ease of use. Featuring a powerful 13.5 amp motor, this cultivator includes 6 adjustable tines that allow for a customizable working width between 11 and 16 inches, as well as an 8-inch working depth, making it versatile for various soil types and gardening tasks. The ergonomic design ensures maneuverability, while its compact and lightweight construction, with dimensions of 40 inches in depth, 19 inches in width, and 42 inches in height, makes it easy to handle and store. This cultivator is an excellent choice for gardeners seeking a powerful yet user-friendly tool to enhance their gardening experience. Number 4. MZK 40V Garden Tiller. The MZK 40V Tiller cultivator is a powerful and efficient gardening tool designed to transform tough, compact soil into finely broken earth, ideal for planting. Its cordless design, powered by a rechargeable battery, offers users the convenience of mobility without the hassle of tangled cords. Weighing in as a lightweight option, the cultivator features an ergonomic handle that minimizes user fatigue, allowing for easy maneuverability in gardens. Equipped with 16 durable steel tines and a 12-inch wide cultivator, it excels in various tasks such as preparing soil, aerating lawns, and breaking up clumps, making gardening tasks quick and effortless. MZK is dedicated to ensuring customer satisfaction, providing support for any inquiries or issues that may arise with their tools. Number 5. LawnMaster TE1318W1 Tiller. The LawnMaster cultivator is a powerful gardening tool designed for efficient soil cultivation, featuring 6 rust-resistant steel blades that operate at a speed of 390 RPM to effectively cut through tough terrain. With a generous 18-inch maximum cutting width and a 9-inch depth for tilling, it is well suited for medium to large gardens. The cultivator includes a mechanical overload protection feature that automatically shuts off the device if obstructed, ensuring safety during operation. Its space-saving design with foldable handles allows for easy storage in limited spaces, while its eco-conscious operation eliminates the need for gas, oil, or harmful emissions. Additionally, the cultivator is equipped with adjustable transit wheels, offering 3 position options for added convenience.